Why automate your to-do list?
Automated to-do lists save time and reduce stress by updating themselves as your day changes. Instead of manually juggling tasks, automation ensures your list always reflects what's most important. This means no more missed deadlines or forgotten chores. With the right tools, your tasks can move, repeat, or even disappear based on rules you set, leaving you organized and focused.
Choosing the right tools.
To start automating, explore tools like Todoist, Google Tasks, or Microsoft To Do. These apps support integrations and automation through services like Zapier or IFTTT. With them, you can connect your to-do list to calendars, emails, or even voice assistants. Pick the tool that fits your workflow and offers the connections you need to keep your tasks up to date.
Setting up task automation.
Automation works through rules and triggers. For example, you can set a rule to add a task every time you receive a flagged email, or mark a meeting as completed in your calendar. Most automation services have simple templates to get started so you can quickly create flows that update your to-do list without manual effort.
Examples of self-updating lists.
Imagine receiving a Slack message or calendar invite and it instantly appears on your to-do list. Or have your task list refresh each week with routine chores or reminders. Automated syncing ensures your task list is never out of date, reflecting new deadlines, events, or priorities as they arise, all without lifting a finger.
Tips for success and staying organized.
Start small with 1 or 2 automations, then build up as you see results. Regularly review your automated rules to make sure they're still helping, not cluttering, your list. Stay flexible. Automation should work for you, not against you. With self-updating to-do lists, expect smoother days and a clearer mind, knowing what's next is always right in front of you.